A custom-made iron door is a beautiful addition to any home, and Westlock Molten Bronze collection entry handles are a perfect complement to old world style craftsmanship. This ornate iron door has a Westlock Molten Bronze collection 7680 Wiltshire entry handle in the oil bronze finish. We're going to show you a few easy steps to replace the lower spring latch. In the event the door becomes unable to open, we're going to show you a few steps to both open the door and replace the spring latch. Step one is to remove the inside knob. And the knob is held on by a little training clip there at the base. Press the clip with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the inside knob. And the inside escutcheon plate is held on by 2 screws. Remove with a felt-head screwdriver. That exposes the mounting plate, and there's 4 mounting bolts that hold the plate onto the door. Remove with a Phillips head power drill. Remove the mounting plate from the door. Locate what's known as the foot screw cap. You just simply unscrew, exposing the washer, Phillips head screw, and remove. After all the inside components are removed, go to the front of the door and just simply pull off the front of the entry handle. With the entry handle fully removed off the door, you now have full access to the lower spring latch as well as the deadbolt latch. The spring latch will have a small rivet on the side of the casing, and that's what we're going to drill out to remove the latch. And about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch drill bit is what we'll use. Now the latch casing has been bored through with the drill bit, there's 2 options you can do to release the spring latch. First, with the flathead screwdriver, attempt to pry back or push back the base mechanism. Sometimes that will release the spring latch. The second option is to go to the edge of the door and with a flathead screwdriver, gently try to pry back the latch mechanism. Until it releases and open the door. After the faceplate screws are removed, simply remove the latch from the door's edge. The replacement spring latch has both a stainless steel plunger as well as a metal band for added reinforcement. Also make sure that the additional tab for a 2 3/4 inch back set is included. Put the new latch in the door's edge, reattach the faceplate, insulation screws. We're now ready to install the front of the hand handle to the door. But first, locate the cam on the deadbolt latch with a flathead screwdriver. Turn the cam to throw the deadbolt latch. This puts the key cylinder tailpiece in the correct position. Then line the tailpiece. Install fully on the door. Reinstall the foot screw, washer. Reinstall the mounting plate. It's important to not fully tighten each screw. Just snug each one. And then, in a clockwise pattern, and tighten it. Careful not to over tighten. Reinstall the escutcheon plate. Last step is to reinstall the inside knob, put it on the spindle shaft, just press in the clip, slide fully onto the shaft so it snaps into place. With the spring latch installed, you should have trouble-free operation for both your iron door and your 7680 Westlock wheel chuck.